Okay, we're over at my folks' house. They're on vacation. This is my dad's Craftsman Vise. It's been bolted to this workbench for, well, as long as I've been alive. So 43 years. It's been used a lot. It's a great old vise. In fact, I went on eBay, got myself one just like it, got my sister one for her workbench. This old vise has seen a lot of work, gets a lot of use. You know, these vices are great. They're a good deal. They're on eBay. You can get them for like 30, 40 bucks. They were made in Japan, so they're not an American-made vise, but I really like these little vices. They're only 4-inch, 3-inch, 3.5, 4-inch, I think. 4-inch, I think. And just a great vice to have. What we're going to do, since they're out of town, we're going to take it off the bench, take it back to my shop, and we're going to restore it. Okay, that's our vise project. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Almost new. Almost. Except for all these little dings and scratches and nicks. You could spend your time sanding all this out and grinding it smooth. But why? That's the character. That's the history of this vise. Especially for me, because this is my dad's vise. You know, all these little nicks and scratches and dings. I mean, that's the history of the piece. So I didn't want to lose all of it. I just wanted to clean it up, make it look new, newish. And I'm going to just take it back to his house, bolt it to his bench. I don't know, just see what happens. See if I get a phone call. Anyway, I'm really sorry about the spray paint portion of this video. My SD card was full. I didn't know. I was just out there having a good time spray painting. Lesson learned, though. I did want to just cover it really quickly with you. I used a primer. I had a can of this gray Rust-Oleum primer. I just threw a single coat of this on there. I don't even know if this is necessary since it is just a vise, but I had it, so I used it. And then the color I used, this is my dad's vise. It was red. I wanted to keep it that way. So I tried to match the original red. Like I said, this is like the third one I've done now. I did one for my sister. I did one for myself. So I did try to match the red. I don't remember where I got this spray paint. It's called America's Finest by Rust-Oleum. The color is Banner Red. I believe Banner Red is just a standard Rust-Oleum color. So you should be able to find it. If not, I don't know. Have fun trying to find it. I don't know where I got it. But anyway, this red closely matched the Craftsman and the original Craftsman red. The best I could match it. So that's why I used it. 2 coats of this. What's great about these vises... Vises? Vises? What's the... Anyway. What's great about these vises is that they're so plentiful, you can paint it any color you want. That's what's great about finding old tools and fixing them up, restoring them, using them in your shop, is you can personalize it however you want. This one's red because, you know, we like red things in my family, red cars and whatnot, so I thought red, you know, it worked. Why change it? It's been that way for 40 years. What's really cool, I saw some really cool ideas online, I believe on Pinterest, or maybe I just did a Google image search one time. I saw one where they had ground all the paint off down to the bare metal, and then they just clear coated it, and I thought that was a really cool look. So you can try that. You can do anything. You can have a good time with it. So I just want to thank you so much for watching this. We will, I'm sure in the future, we'll have other projects that will require spray painting, so we'll cover that again in the future. So anyway, just thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really excited about this project. It was fun. I think I spent like maybe a day doing it, you know, because you got to wait for paint to dry and stuff. So go out there, find yourself a vise, have a good time, enjoy yourself. I hope this inspires you. Go out there, have a great day, you guys. Thanks for watching.